Hello, a spectrum analyzer is a measurement tool that displays a real-time frequency analysis of incoming audio signal. It is usually an integral part of equalizers and audio signal processing devices. The vertical axis shows the amplitude of certain frequency measured in decibels. This time I will show you how to make such a device on a 2002 VFD display. In one of my previous videos you could see the making of the wallpaper on such a display. The advantage of these displays is that they emit a very bright light with high contrast and a beautiful retro look. In the video I mentioned earlier you can see how to modify such a display, and then you can use the libraries intended for the 16:2 character LCD with HD 44780 driver chip. Specifically in this case, to control this VFD display is used liquid crystal library. The presented device is very simple to build and consists of several components. Arduino Nano microcontroller, VFM202 MDA1 type VFD display, which is slightly modified. Next, stereo potentiometer to control the intensity of the signal input, and two small capacitors. For analysis and processing of the audio signal is used fixed FFT library. As for the code, the base is taken from Ray Burnette with some minor tweaks. New code is adapted for 20:2 characters, increased noise sensitivity threshold, and some minor visual corrections. The device is built into a suitable box made of PVC material with thickness of 3 and 5 mm coated with a self-adhesive wallpaper. A thin transparent filter foil is placed on the front of the display. And now let's see how the device works in real condition. With minimal modification of the code, we can create different visual effects. The following is a brief description of how this device is made.